So, Brendan, you asked a question about my philosophy or how do I build a high-performing teams. So, my approach to building high-performing team always starts with hiring the right talent. And then, right, once you bring the right talent, set an inspiring vision, help the team members to understand how their day-to-day work connects with the overall strategic objectives. And then, right, set the bar high for engineering excellence, set up KPIs, and then, right, to measure the productivity and the throughput. And finally, right, I recognize the exceptional talent to provide career and growth opportunities for my team members. So develop talent. So this is how I built high performing teams for the last 6 years. Three times I consecutively built high performing teams. So I would like to give you an example. So when I started as an senior engineering manager at Ground International IT Modernization, our main focus was to build a highly scalable and reliable IT systems to enable our business to increase their market share. But there are so many challenges in front of me. Number one, our legacy systems, right? It impacted the service levels and impacted the brand image. And number two, the team members' morale was low. There was a high turnover of like more than 50%. On top of that, the team members are new to the modern technologies. So these are some of the challenges in front of us. And my main goal was to bring cultural transformation and building high performing teams. So the first thing what I did was I effectively used my one-on-ones to understand the root cause behind all the problems. So from the one-on-ones, I uncovered that the team members had lacked the vision, overall vision, where that organization is trending towards, and also they had a low sense of belonging, and the morale was low because this area was under prioritized and under focused for a very long time. So these are some of the internal dynamics challenges going on. So after clearly understanding the root cause, I devised a strategy. So the first thing is I set an inspiring vision and explain to my team members that our FedEx had only like 12% market share at that organization, but our competitor has more than 60%. And the bottleneck was the legacy systems. So I inspired them to saying that, hey, we have to build a highly scalable and reliable systems to own the border. So that really like inspired the team members and understood their sense of belonging and created the purpose. And then the next thing is, right, I set clear goals and made the team members accountable for their deliverables. And then since the team was new to the modern technologies and the tech stack, I worked with like different parts of our organization and identified some of the best practices and standards to make sure that the team members are learning based on the trainings and the newer tools and then start delivering the value. And then once teams started producing the value, I set the bar high for the software engineering excellence and set up KPIs to specifically measure the team's productivity, throughput, and then rate how reliable products are being built by my team. And then finally, I recognized the exceptional talent and then provided continuous coaching, mentoring, and learning platform. And also, right, I built like a fail-safe environment for my team members and provided career opportunities for them to like grow further in their career. So these are the steps I have taken in different areas in order to increase the engineering effectiveness. So as a result, number one, the turnover has been reduced from lower 50%, higher 50% to lower 10%. Just only one of the team member at that time left the team because he wanted to pursue opportunity outside of software engineering. That was the reason. And the second thing is, and second thing is, through the engineering excellence, we modernized some of the critical systems that enabled our business to increase the market share, to increase the revenue, and also the best-in-class reliability standards what we built. It overall increased the service levels for the company.